I'm going to show you how to make the drunken seafood stir fry or pad Kee Mao Tale. Let's start with smashing the chilies and garlic. I just need medium heat. Add some cooking oil, and you don't need to wait for the oil to be so hot. You can just start to add the garlic and chilies into the pan. The garlic and the chili paste smells so good right now. It gives very quick fragrance. And as rule of thumb, when the garlic turning golden brown, you can start to add the meat into this pan. I'm gonna start with the squid. It's gonna be spicy. Like I told you, it's gonna kick you back to life if you are hangover right now. And next, shrimp. Maybe just smell it. You got awakened already. That's how good it is when your neighbor sneezes. Next, I'm gonna add the mussels. I have already boiled them for 3 minutes, so it doesn't need so much time to cook. Whoa! Now I add the seasoning with seasoning soy sauce, oyster sauce, fish sauce. They are ready, so I'm turning off the heat and I'm gonna add the wild ginger in there. Stir it a little bit more. Then I add these red spur chilies. Follow with the Holy Basils. And then you finish it with the green peppercorn. And some Kaffir leaves. Sorry for the sniffling because the smell of this spicy dish is so pungent to my nose. Anyway, this is the drunken seafood stir fry or pad Kee Mao Tale. It is so hot and spicy, you have to try this at home. It is an ultimate hangover cure, so you can find the ingredients below or visit our website worldofthaifood.com. Don't forget to share some comments while you're cooking this dish, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the one who already subscribed, thank you so much. For today, have a spicy day. Bye-bye. So good.
Let's roll it.
Why you roll it? I'm eating.